Hello. This YouTube briefing will briefly discuss the upcoming weather for the next work week, which will be from Monday, August 12th through Friday, August 16th. This slide shows the jet stream across the United States in blue. You can see it here dropping down off the Canadian and Pacific Northwest coast before it moves up into Canada, back down into Minnesota and Wisconsin, across the Great Lakes into Canada. There's also a subtropical jet, which you can see right here, moving over Southern California into Arizona and southern Utah and Colorado. Even though the jet stream's at about 30,000 feet, it's very important to forecasting weather. One of the reasons is jet streaks, which are embedded in the jet stream. You can see them here in slightly greenish. There's a jet streak. There's a jet streak. Here's another one across the Great Lakes. And you could also say there's a very weak one moving across the desert southwest. These pieces of energy, or jet streaks, are important because they support cold fronts, showers, thunderstorms, and snow at the surface, amongst other things. The jet stream and the streaks are also important because they affect areas of pressure. Lows and highs will either weaken or strengthen depending on the jet. So, having said all that, let's see what the jet has in store for us this week. As you can see, an area of high pressure is built into our south, with an area of low pressure to our northeast and northwest. So until the jet starts either strengthening or weakening these areas of low pressure, not much change to our weather can be expected. As I mentioned earlier, we have that subtropical jet moving over the Pacific, which will allow it to pick up plenty of moisture and then move it across our area. So, with plenty of moisture in place, I'd anticipate some showers and storms like we've seen over the past few days. By Wednesday, the two areas of low pressure still exist to the north, but the subtropical jet does look as though it's weakening somewhat and shifting eastward. It now looks like there's really not much of a moisture tap, although there's some right here. It's certainly not as good as it was. So with flow continuing from the west, I would expect some showers and storms, but probably not as widespread as we've seen. And also notice how this high pressure is no longer elongated. It's now starting to build in. Head to Friday evening, the high pressure has really built into the desert southwest, so much so that our wind flow, which you can barely see with the yellow, is now becoming westerly and looks to become even northwesterly. So as far as our moisture tap goes for our area, it looks to be shut off. So I would anticipate a big downturn in precipitation. In fact, as far as the moisture goes, you can see it here. Now it looks like it's going through central California, northern Nevada into Idaho. Now this is a somewhat busy slide, but the main thing we're concerned about is just looking at the various colors. All we're concerned about is the precipitation, which is the pink, and the heavier precip will be blue, and heavier than that would even be green. This is valid for Monday evening, so you can see, looking at Utah and Colorado, looks like plenty of moisture, or I should say precipitation, is being forecast. Looks like the Uintas in Utah, the La Salles possibly, and also the San Juans and the Continental Divide. So, again, I would expect, as we mentioned, due to that jet and that moisture coming off, to see showers and thunderstorms Monday, and most likely Tuesday, because we saw the jet only starting to weaken Wednesday into Friday. Here we go, looking into Wednesday. As I said, it looks sort of where the precipitation is favored is just along the Continental Divide, so I'd expect showers and storms to form there, while areas west, right here, remain dry. Even so, though, with plenty of daytime heating and some moisture that will remain in the atmosphere, I wouldn't be surprised to see a scattered or very isolated shower or rumble of thunder to occur. So let's move on to Friday. Aha! By Friday, you can see there's no precipitation whatsoever for Utah, or pretty much the desert southwest, or Colorado too. As I said, it's because high pressure is building in. All of the moisture looks to be moving to our north. So we can expect a pretty dry day. Will be an off chance for some daytime heating to cause a stray shower or thunderstorm, but it really looks like high pressure is going to build in. So just recapping everything, Monday through Wednesday look to be the most active days, with afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms. Favored areas continue to be high terrain, with some of the showers and storms drifting into the valleys at times. Drying trend for Thursday and Friday is that high pressure builds in and northwesterly flow sets up, causing moisture to lower. And that's the forecast for the next week. For the latest updated forecasts, please visit www.weather.gov/GJT. And you can also visit us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter at NWSGJT. Thanks very much for listening.